everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. I mean Grace Hamilton, a little poor girl from Old Britain, says Spice, as she tops in the Caribbean with the most monthly listeners on YouTube. The DJ leads with a massive 255 million listeners, surpassing Sean Paul and Shaggy, while rising stars like Skilly Bang and Shinsia are gaining global traction. Reacting to the news, the Queen of Dancehall in an Instagram post thanked fans for their unwavering support, saying doing this alone as an independent artist isn't easy, but my best is always show up and run up my music. She also extended love to fellow artists in the top 10, applauding both male and female performers for continuing to inspire her and uplift Jamaican culture. According to a report, the streaming platform is changing how success is measured with a new monthly audience metric. Instead of just counting subscribers, it tracks how many unique users engage with an artist's content across YouTube platforms over the past 28 days. Only official artist channels with over 100,000 subscribers and 50,000 monthly viewers will display the feature. The dancehall community is in mourning following the death of popular dancer DHQ Chicken. According to reports, the Manchester police are probing the fatal shooting of 26-year-old Britannia Francis, also known as DHQ Chicken, in Richmond early Thursday morning. Her death has sparked an outpouring of grief online. Former dancehall queen and recording artist Nikki described her as a hard-working mother focused on providing for her daughter, adding that she was never involved in controversy. She also sent prayers to Francis's sister, fellow dancer Daima Attitude. Kim Weezy, another close associate, remembered her as a creative soul who constantly sought positive guidance. Both tributes called her loss heartbreaking. Francis, from Brinkley District in St. Elizabeth, was at a bar around 1:30 a.m. when gunshots were heard. She was later found with bullet wounds. Francis was taken to hospital but died during treatment. Investigations are ongoing. 90 The Observer eyes Grammy with a self-titled project. Known for producing hits for legends like Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs, and Third World, the veteran reggae producer is stepping into the spotlight once again, this time as an artist. He made the revelation while speaking at the media launch for the album Tuesday evening at the Pegasus Hotel.
I'm making this album and trying to work for it straight to the Grammy. I'm going straight in it. Okay. The
album, which has been in the making since 2020, features musical heavyweights like Sly Dunbar, Dean Fraser, and Marcia Griffiths. Speaking with E-Prime, president of the People's National Party, Mark Golding, referred to the singer as a foundation of Jamaica's culture.
Mine is a foundational producer. Channel One, it's a foundational label. You know, in the 70s in particular, I think, that era, you know, they were kicking and they have a lot of important recordings in their catalog. So it's good to see a resurgence with 90 coming up to the front again.
A pioneer in Jamaican music, 90 is credited with producing the island's first live album and helping shape the sound of reggae through the 70s and 80s. It's his first project in over 20 years, following his 1992 album, Freaks. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.